Hey YouTube, it's Miss Jackson, and I have an unboxing review with the Yolissa hair company. This is my first unboxing with any company. For starters, I was recommended to this company on Aliexpress from one of my friends. She has been doing hair for a really long time, and she says she's never got like a bad batch of hair for them. So I decided to try them out. This will be my first frontal, so I was really excited, and I really wanted to find a really good company to use. Here's the hair. I ordered the hair on a Friday, and I got the hair on a Thursday. So I ordered 3 bundles of the Brazilian wavy hair. I've been getting straight hair a lot lately, so I wanted to try something different. I got a 22, a 24, a 20, 22, 24, and an 18-inch closure. It looks really soft. Let's see. Oh, and then the hair came with this, I guess, ponytail holder and some lashes. I never got lashes before from hair. Hair is really soft. Recently, I've been getting hair from like I used to get hair from Aliexpress in high school all the time, but I would always like get a bad bunch. But lately I've been spending a lot of money, like $300-400 on hair, and it's the same hair at Aliexpress. So I went back to Aliexpress to check some hair out, I guess. The hair is really soft, like really soft. The waves are really cute too. It has a smell, but not like a strong chemical smell. It don't have that corn chippy smell either. It's a few great pieces of hair in it. The bundles the wefts aren't that thick, but they're not, I've seen thinner. This is the last bundle. This is the 22. I'm actually gonna measure it. I got some hair from somebody before, and it was supposed to be 3 different inches, but I kid you not, all 3 bundles were the same, and I didn't have a tape measure, but now I do. So this is supposed to be 20 inches, and let's see. This is the 20-inch, and it measures 22 inches. The longest strand measures 22 inches. Yeah, this is 20. And then let's see. Gee, I could have sworn I just think the ass on it. Actually measure at 25 inches. The 18 measure at 19 inches, and the 20 measure at 22 inches. And then this is the frontal. I'm really excited. I was hearing, the only thing about Yolissa Hair Company that I was hearing was bad was that their frontals didn't match ear to ear. So I measured my ear to ear, and I got 11 inches. And then when I measured the frontal, I got 13 inches, which, you know, can be my sideburns. And then from front to back, I got 4.5 inches when I measured it, which is pretty average. Like most frontals are 13 by 4 inches. And then you take maybe not even half an inch, maybe a 1/4 inch off to, you know, thin it out, make a more natural hairline, and then do the baby hairs. The hair feels really soft. The frontal doesn't have a smell either, and the lace is very uniform. Like, I've been getting closures a lot, so I've been really paying attention to the lace. The lace is done very neatly. The knots are not even that dark. It looks as if the knots have been bleached already. I'm pretty sure I'll still go in and bleach the knots just to make it more natural and match my scalp. So far, I really like the hair. It has a natural, you could tell it's been maybe dyed. It's not like a natural brown, but it's definitely not black. It's definitely like a 1B. The blend is well. I've seen worse blends. It's not that many gray hairs. I'm pretty sure it's not noticeable. I'm not picking up a lot of gray hairs. Maybe like 3 or 4 in each bundle. And that's not that bad. I got the hair from DHL. They were pretty good at delivering. I know with FedEx and even UPS, they do whatever they want to do. The hair wasn't supposed to be there. I wasn't supposed to get the hair till Friday, but Thursday they called me while I was at work, like, we're outside, no one's answering the door, do you want us to just leave it there? And I was like, you know, I told them to take it to my neighbor's house, but that was really nice because that usually doesn't happen. I'll be getting this made into a wig because I just been wig gang lately. So once I get into a wig, I can show you guys how I wear it as a wig, and I will give you an update in maybe a month after I'll install it. I just got these braids, so I'm gonna be wearing these joints for a minute, and then when I take these down, I'm gonna put my wig on, and I'll let you all know how that goes. So thanks for watching.